Yes. So, Srikal students, so let's talk about trigonometric functions of sums and differences of two angles. Let's say this angle is x. So this is in first quadrant, and obviously if I take the angle in anti-clockwise direction, it will be in fourth quadrant. Now, what is sine of minus x? Sine of minus x is basically this perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. But this perpendicular is negative. So it will be minus p by h. Right? I can write it like this, minus of p by h. So now with the same angle, these two triangles will be congruent. So this will also be p and this is h. So this will be equal to p by h is sine x, right? So this is equal to minus sine x. Very important. Cos of minus x. Now if I take cos of minus x, it is base OA, this point. Let's say base OA divided by hypotenuse h. Well, it doesn't matter. If it is minus x, it is OA by h, or if it is plus x, it is also OA by h. So this is equal to cos x. Now cos of pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 radians is 90 degree. We know that. Alright. So let's do cos of pi by 2 minus x. How can we do it? So see students, we already know the formula. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. In case of cos a minus b, remember the trigonometric function doesn't change in the first term, but the sign changes. So if I put a as pi by 2 and b as x, I'll get my formula. How? So cos of pi by 2 minus x would be equal to, yes, can any student tell me now? Put this formula. Cos of a is pi by 2 and b is x. Can anyone help me? Cos a will be cos of pi by 2 cos x plus sine of pi by 2 sine x. Right. Now cos pi by 2 is 0. So this terms cancels out. So cos of pi by 2 minus x. Now sine pi by 2 is 1. So this becomes equal to sine x. So this is sine x. This can be proven in other way also. Right? You can take cos of pi by 2, take a circle, then let's say this angle is x, right? Then this angle would be pi by 2 minus x. So then this way also it can be proven. All right. Now comes sine pi by 2 minus x is what? So guys, sine pi by 2 minus x, again we can apply the formula. Sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b, right? So again, I apply this formula. I'll get sine of pi by 2 cos x minus cos of pi by 2 sine x. So this is equal to, now sine pi by 2 is 1, so this is equal to cos x, and cos pi by 2 is 0, so this is equal to cos x. So sine pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. See, we have proven this. Okay. Students, how we have proven these two, similarly you can prove all this. So this is your homework. Cos of pi by 2 plus x, sine pi by 2 plus x. Yes. Ishma, can you tell me how will you proceed with this? So sine pi by 2 plus x, you will use the formula, which one? Sine of, yes,
A plus B.
correct, a plus b. So what is that equal to? What is equal to?
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, right? So instead of a, use pi by 2. Instead of b, use x. So derive all these formulas. Simple. Well, they are not formulas, they are results actually, right? So this I'm giving. So after seeing this video and deriving them, write down the answers in comment section. Cos pi by 2 plus x, sin pi by 2 plus x. Similarly, cos pi minus x, sin pi minus x. Do them 2 times, so you might enjoy them, right? These are results. Now these are identities. I'm going to derive all the identities. So cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. How are we able to prove it? So see that, students, the left hand side, right? Cos 2x left hand side is equal to, I can write like this, cos of what? 2x is x plus x. Now please apply the formula. What is, now consider this x as a, consider this x as b. So what is cos a plus b? Cos a plus b is cos a cos b. So it will be cos x into cos x minus sin x into sin x, right? Sin x into sin x. So the first formula is proven. This is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, right? Well, now we want to prove this one, 2 cos square x. So see that, student, this is equal to cos square x minus, what is sin square x? 1 minus cos square x, right? So minus minus becomes plus. This is 2 cos square x minus 1, right? And now you can also prove like this. How become 1 minus 2 sin square x? So here this comes like, I convert the cos. So cos is 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x, right? Yes, Ishma. So this is equal to 1 minus, this is equal to
2 sin square
minus
x.
2 sine square x. Speak loudly. All right. So how can we prove that, you know, this is equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. How do we do it? So you see that, uh, change the color, you understand better. Okay, so see that, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x. We have just proven cos square x minus sine square x. See that, we have just proven, right? Now, well, this is equal to, can I write like this? This is equal to cos square x minus sine square x divided by cos square x plus sine square x. Can I write like this? Because cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. Now we just divide everything by cos square x. Everything by cos square x. Cos square x by cos square x becomes 1 minus tan square x divided by, divide everything by cos square x. 1 plus tan square x. We got this formula also. Alright guys, let's go further. So now we'll derive this one. Sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. So once you derive them 2 times yourself, so obviously these formulas will be on your tips, which will help you do better in physics and maths. So see guys, now sine 2x, right? Say sine 2x. Yes, what is the first step? Anyone? How will we write this? How will we split 2x? Anyone? How we will split 2x? Yes, Ishma?
X plus X.
Oh, that's good. And then apply the formula sine of a plus b is equal to, come on, sine of a plus b is
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
sine a cos b, correct. So it will be sine x cos x plus again sine x cos x becomes 2 sine x cos x. First part is proven. Okay. So how can we prove that this is equal to 2 tan x plus 1 plus tan x tan square x? Yes. Well, this can be written as divided by, tell me, cos square x plus sine square x, because ultimately this thing is equal to 1. Doesn't matter, we can divide it by this. So once we have this, students, then dividing each term by cos square x. So this becomes dividing by cos square x. So this becomes 2 cos square cancels with 1 cos square cos, and the other one it becomes 2 tan x divided by, we are dividing everything by cos square x. So this by cos square x becomes 1 plus sin square x by cos square x becomes tan square x. So this is also proven. Remember guys, x should not be equal to n pi plus 2 pi. Why? Anyone can answer? X should not be equal to n pi plus pi by 2. It's like we can say n is 1, pi plus pi by 2. So pi plus pi by 2 is what? This is pi, and this is pi plus pi by 2, this angle. So at this angle, what? You know, the cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi by 2 is also 0. So when we have cos pi by 2, 0. So if we write tan square pi by 2, it will become undefined. That's why we do not define this formula, this identity for x, nx plus x by 2, where n is an integer. Okay, we've done this. All right, now comes next formula. Call them formula, call them identities, all depends upon you. Okay, so next one. Okay, now comes the next one, tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, right? Again, if 2x is not equal to nx plus pi by 2, as we have stated before, where n is an integer. Okay, so how do we do it? So we know that, students, tan of what is x plus y? Can anyone tell me what is tan x plus y? Tan a plus b? This is it.
Tan A plus tan B upon 1
Tan
minus
x
tan A
plus,
tan.
good, Ishma. It will be tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y, right? So you simply replace y by x, you will get this formula. Well, this is done. Please do them themselves. All right, guys. Now we have sign up. Please control, students. Please control back voice. Please control back voice. Okay. Sine 3x. Sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. How are we going to prove it? We're going to prove this one also. Oh, just a second. Right. So we want to say, please speak this, Ishma, sine 3x.
Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x.
Oh, that's good. So we can do this. We can play with the numbers. Well, sine of 3x, can I write like this? sine of 2x plus x. Am I right? Sine of 2x plus x, right? So this will be equal to, tell me, sine 2x into cos x, next, plus cos 2x into sine x. Am I right? Well, this is equal to, yes, I can write it like this, 2 sine x cos x. See, we've just seen sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x, right? Into cos x, this cos x, right? Plus, now cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square x or 2 cos square x minus 1, right? You've just seen. So I'll prefer sine 1 into sine x. Why? Because sine cos, right? So I can write it like this, 2 sine x, right? Into, this is cos square x. Cos square x can be written as 1. This is cos square x. 1 minus sine square x, right? So plus, what is this? Let me multiply. Sine x into 1 is sine x. Sine x multiply, but this is 2 sine cube x, because I know this is cube here. So I don't want to miss opportunity. Wherever I get cube, I want to get one more cube, in fact. So that cube I'll get from multiplying sine x by sine square x. Well, this is equal to 2 sine x minus 2. Yes, can anyone tell? 2 sine x into sine square x is 2 sine. Yes, Ishma? 2 sine x into sine square x.
Cube x.
2 sine cube x plus sine x minus 2 sine cube x. So we got the formula, right? So this is equal to sine x, 2 sine x plus sine x is, yes, Jasmine? 2 sine x plus sine x is 3 sine x minus 2 is minus 4 sine cube x. So you must derive them as many times as possible. Okay, now this is gone. Now we will go for the next one. Okay, we've done this. Similarly, students, I want you to prove this. I leave it to you. Cos of 3x. Okay, start like this. Cos of 2x plus 1. Please start like this and you end here. Well, this is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Just the opposite of sine 3x. Okay, we've done this. And then we have tan 3x. Tan 3x. That's equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan cube, not cube, tan square x. So students, this one also, you please do it yourself. It's simple. So can anyone tell me the first step? 3x I will split into,
2x plus
oh,
x.
that's good. And then which formula I will rely upon?
Tan a plus b.
Oh, that's good. Cool. So it will be tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, right? You please use this and derive this formula also. So a lot of homework I'm giving to you today. Okay. But you have to do this. You have to work hard to reach somewhere. Cannot reach anywhere without the work hard. Okay, and this is interesting. Okay, guys. So having done this, I'm going to define other four identities also, and then I'll leave you. Okay. So other four identities also are, number one, we have cos x. So till now, students, we were converting, like sometimes like multiplication into addition, and now we are converting addition into multiplication. Addition into multiplication, right? So it's like you factorize something, like we have 7 plus 3, you factorize them, so this becomes equal to 2 into 5, or this becomes equal to 1 into 10. So this is what we're going to do, okay? Plus into multiplication. So cos x plus cos y. Well, this is equal to 2 cos, anyone remembers? X plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2, right? Second one, I'll prove one of them. And then we have cos of x minus cos of y is equal to minus 2 sine x plus y by 2 sine x minus y by 2. Okay, so we have cos x plus cos y. So then here cos and cos, when we have cos x minus cos y, it converts to sine. Now third one. All right, guys, so we talk about third one, and then let's change our color. Okay, this is sine x plus sine y is equal to 2 sine x plus y. Very useful form, very useful identities. Cos x minus y by 2, and the fourth one is sine x minus sine y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 sine x minus y by 2. So I'll prove one of them. Other all you will prove yourself. Okay. So all right. So see, students. Now you know that we have time. We can do it. We can do them. Yes. Students, we know that what is cos of x plus y? Yeah, please speak. Yeah, I want to hear from Jasmine. What is cos of x plus y? Fast. Yes, Jasmine. Cos x.
Cos x cos b minus sin x sin b.
Yeah, sine x, sine b is y. We can see sine. Correct. Please mute yourself. Very good. Now, what about Ishmo cos of x minus y? The more you speak in trigonometry, the better you are.
Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y.
So in cos x minus y, the trigonometric functions don't change in the first term, but the sign changes, right? So it will be sine x sine y. Am I right? Let's say this is first equation. Let's say this is second equation. Am I right? Okay. Now adding and subtracting 1 and 2. Okay. Now add them. Adding and subtracting 1 and 2. It's very simple. So you get cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Yes, please tell me what is this equal to? See, sin x, sin y will cancel. Cos x, cos y, cos x, cos y. So what I can write? Please tell me. See, this comes to
2 cos x cos
2 cos x cos y. Beautiful. This is the meaning of adding and subtracting. Or you can remove this also. Simply write adding 1 and 2. No problem. Okay. So we got this. Now this we got by adding 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. And you can again write subtracting 1 and 2, right? Then what will you get? Come on. Cos of, now you subtract 2. X plus y. Now you do minus. Cos of x minus y. Come on, Ishma. What will you get? Subtract this from this. So this will cancel. So what will you get? Minus 2 sine x sine y. Is it right? Because when you subtract this from this will cancel. And when you subtract this from this, it will become minus sine x sine y minus sine x sine y, right? So you got this, right? So let's say this is your third equation and this is your fourth equation. Okay, done. Okay, guys. Now you know that what is sine of x plus y? Anyone can tell me? Can I ask Arjinder? Sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cos y. I cannot wait. Sine x cos y plus cos x. Yes, Ishma?
Sin y.
Sine y. Am I right? Okay. So this can be considered as fifth equation. Okay. And what about sine x minus y?
Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y.
Oh, beautiful. Speak loudly. Sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. Is it right? So let's say this is sixth equation. Am I right? Beautiful. Having written all these equations, guys, now you add and subtract 5 and 6. First you add them. First you add 5 and 6. Can you tell me what will you get? I cannot put them down. Just add 5 and 6. So you will get sine of x plus y plus sine of, come on, x minus y.
X minus y is equal to 2 sin x cos y.
Beautiful, beautiful. Good girl. Cos y. Let's say this is seventh equation. Now subtract them. Subtract. You can write 6 from, yes, Ishma, from 5.
Fifth.
Yeah, fifth equation. So what do we get? Sine x plus y minus, come on, sine of x minus y would be equal to, yes, can you tell?
Minus 2 cos x sin y.
It won't be minus, it will be plus. Just see. Am I right? Am I right, Ishma?
Yes, so.
Correct. 2 cos x sin y. All right, guys, let's say this is eighth equation. All right. Now, see, x plus y, x minus y is coming again and again. So can I write x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to phi? This is phi. So what will be x? Please add both of them. Please add both of them. What will you get? 2x is equal to, come on, theta plus phi. So Ishma, what will be the value for x? Theta plus phi divided by
2.
2. Beautiful. Similarly, you will get y is equal to, can you tell me? How will you get y? Now you subtract this from this, right? So you will get y is equal to theta minus phi divided by 2. Now substitute these values of x and y in equations 3, 4, 7, and 8. Okay, what do you get? Once again, substitute these values of x and y in this equation. Yes, can you tell me? Yes, in In third, when you put, what do you get? One, you get cos theta, am I right? Plus cos phi is equal to 2, come on, 2 cos, Ishma, please speak, theta plus phi by 2 cos theta minus phi by, maybe you have to stop the video again, students. Stop the video, go back, then do it, and then you'll understand. Okay. Similarly, we can have cos of theta minus cos of phi is equal to minus 2 sine theta plus phi by 2 into sine theta minus phi by 2 minus phi by 2. Am I right? So we'll get sine theta plus sine phi, sine theta plus sine phi is equal to 2 sine theta plus phi by 2 into cos theta minus phi by 2. Right, students? So we are approaching the end. We are approaching the end. Now we have done this. So we get last one as sine theta minus sine phi is equal to 2 cos theta plus phi by 2 sine theta minus phi by 2. Now you replace theta and phi with the real values, right? You can replace theta by x and phi by y. So what will you get? You will get all the identities. Cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Similarly, all other three identities also you will get in a similar way. Kindly complete this. Students, to get more videos,